everyone, welcome back to the Balanced Bite. Today I'm going to share with you my Greek salad bowl. This recipe is both delicious and full of Mediterranean flavors. This 7-day lunch plan is both delicious and full of flavor. Perfect for anyone that is following a VSG or Bariatric Diet Plan. So great for somebody who's sticking to a low carb diet or simply just trying to eat healthier. Meal prep is one of the ways that I've kept myself on track. Do you like to meal prep also? Let's get started. This Greek salad bowl recipe, you're going to need the following: 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 lemon juiced, 1 tablespoon of dried oregano, salt and pepper to taste, 4 cups of mixed greens, 1 cup of diced tomatoes, 1 cucumber diced, 1/2 of a red onion, 1/2 cup of feta cheese crumbled, and 1/4 cup of Kalamata olives. First, let's marinate the chicken. In a bowl, combine olive oil, minced garlic, lemon juice, dried oregano, salt, and pepper. Whisk it all together, then place your chicken breast in the bowl. Cover it and marinate it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes or overnight for more flavor. Once it's marinated, heat a grill or skillet over medium-high heat. While the chicken is cooking, we're going to go ahead and prep our salad. We're going to start with some mixed greens. I use like a combination that I buy at the store, but you can use whatever you have on hand. You can use kale, spinach, arugula, whatever leafy green you have, go ahead and use that. You know, I like to keep it fresh with some cucumbers, Kalamata olives, red onions, tomatoes. That's what I like in my Greek salad. But I'm curious, what do you like in your Greek salad? Leave me a comment below and maybe I'll try it next time. Now, I really like a homemade dressing, and this simple recipe that I have enhances the flavor of the salad. But of course, feel free to buy pre-made salad dressing if you prefer. In a small bowl or jar, combine the olive oil, red wine vinegar, dried oregano, salt and pepper, whisk together until well blended. Taste and adjust the seasoning if needed. This dressing can be stored in the refrigerator for up to a week, but just make sure to give it a quick shake before using. Once the chicken is cooked and sliced, it's time to build our bowls. Start with a base of our mixed greens, then layer on the vegetables, a sprinkle of feta cheese, and top it all off with our perfectly marinated and cooked chicken breast. And add your salad dressing to the containers. And there you have it, my Greek chicken bowl with mixed green salad, all prepped for a week of healthy meals. If you try this recipe, let me know how you like it in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a recipe video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.